Hello everyone, I'm Jason, and in this video I will be showing you how to make money online with Cpagrip as a beginner in 2023. Cpagrip is a website that you can sign up to find cost per action offers. And in case you're wondering what cost per action means, by simply googling it, you can see that CPA refers to a type of pricing model where marketers pay ad networks or media sources for certain conversions such as a purchase or registration. So for example, a form of CPA is you referring someone to an offer and they filling in their email address or their name, and by simply doing that you'll be able to get paid. So the person does not need to make a purchase most of the time or anything like that for you to get paid. Now that you have an idea of what you'll be doing, let's go in. First, you'll need to sign up to Cpagrip, which is quite easy to do. All you'll have to do is simply visit the website, then tap on sign up in the top right hand corner and fill in your name and email address. After doing that, what I would like you to do now, you are going to be led to a dashboard just like this, and you are going to go over to the left hand menu option, and you are going to tap on monetization tools. Then you are going to tap on content lockers, as we are going to be using content lockers offers to make money. Once you have selected content lockers, you are going to simply tap on create a new content locker. Then you are going to scroll down, and from here you are going to tap on I agree. Then you are going to tap on continue. After doing that, you are going to be led to this page, and from here you can see a sample of the offers, or better yet the CPA offer right here. Then you are going to scroll down, and you'll need to change the background as you want to pep it up and make it a bit more appealing. Now to change the background, all you'll have to do is simply Google some background. So for example, the offer that I would like you to promote, or the network that we are going to be using to promote it, will be Instagram. And we are going to be creating an Instagram page just like this one right here in the field of law of attraction. And by the way, this is a very popular niche at the moment, as you can see right here, and there's a lot of engagement. So all you'll have to do is simply go onto Instagram, create a page. And by the way, the example that I'm about to show you, while it is in the law of attraction niche, you can use this example and you can change it up and you can choose a different niche. So first, you're going to go onto Instagram. You can select the niche that you would like to use. Then remember, we are going to be using the CPA offer. But before doing that, you're not going to get persons to tap on your offer unless you're offering something. So more than likely you will need to be giving them something free, as you can see right here. Claim a free reading. If I were to tap on this, it will open this page, and you can see that the creator of this Instagram page has numerous offers that she's offering her followers. As you can see here, a free download, manifestation coaching, also attract money starting as soon as today. Our free offer will be a free PDF or a free ebook. And to get free ebooks that are popular and have high quality, you will need to go on to pdfdrive.com. This is a completely free website that you can go on, and you can find some of the best ebooks, or better yet PDFs, that you'll be able to download for completely free, and you don't have to worry about it being copyrighted or anything like that. So I want you to go on to pdfdrive.com. And if you are deciding to go into the law of attraction niche, as I am, all you'll need to do is simply tap on the search bar, and you're going to type in law of attraction. So you'll simply type that in. Let me do that real quick. You can see it right here, law of attraction. So we'll simply tap on that. And from here, we are going to search for a book. And in this example, I'll simply use this one right here as it's new and you can see that it is quite popular. All you'll have to do is simply select the book. Then from here, you're going to tap on download. And just give it a few seconds. Then you'll simply tap on download PDF. Now the PDF has been downloaded and you have also created your Instagram page. The next step is to pep up this right here instead of just leaving it plain. And to do this, all you have to do is simply tap on desktop right here. As we want to change the background, then you'll need to find a background image URL. And to do that, you can simply Google Galaxy wallpaper. So for example, let's say I want to use this one right here. I'll simply tap on it. Then after selecting the wallpaper, you're going to right click. And from here, you're going to tap on copy image address. After you have copied the address, you are going to go back into Cpagrip. And right where you see background image URL, you are going to paste the URL that you had copied. Then you can preview it to see if it's okay. So you can simply tap on save. Then let's select it again. You can see right there that the background has been changed. And now all you'll need to do is simply change the wording right here. So you could change the wording. As you can see right here below, complete a survey. Please complete a survey below to unlock the key to master manifestation. You want a catchy wording right here so that persons will be intrigued to click on it. And you're going to put this idea in your bio just like you see right here. So we are going to go on to Cpagrip. We are going to tap on save. And after doing that, we are going to simply go onto system.io. And you'll need to go onto system.io. It's completely free. So you are going to go onto system.io and you are going to create an account. After creating your account, you are going to see this page. But do not worry about this as you will not need to sign up or anything like that. All you'll need to do is simply click on the link that you'll be given in your email address and you are going to create a password. After creating the password, you are going to be led to this page, which will be your dashboard. And from here, we are going to create the funnel, or better yet, we are going to create the sales page that will be putting our Cpagrip on. So you are going to simply tap on funnels. And after tap on create, then you are going to name your funnel. You can name your funnel whatever you want. So for this example, I'll simply name it law with an extra W. Then scroll down and tap on build an audience. And you're going to remove the currency section right here. You're going to tap on the X to remove it. Then you're going to tap on save. And once your funnel has been created, you're going to tap on the funnel name. And it is going to carry you to this page on which you'll be able to edit your funnel. The first thing I want you to do is hover over the thank you section. Then you are going to tap on delete as you are going to remove the thank you page. So tap on confirm. Once you have removed the thank you page and only have the squeeze page, you are going to scroll down and you are going to select the template that you would like to use for your squeeze page. All of these are different type of templates that you could choose from. So all you want to do is choose a simple one, as this will be the page that persons see once they click on your offer. So for example, you could select this one right here. Let me preview it real quick. You can see right there, there's going to be a lot of stuff to delete. We don't need that. Let me scroll down and see if I can choose another one. Okay, let's select this one. So you're going to select this one right here. Then after selecting this page, you are going to hover over the second to last icon in the right hand corner, and you are going to tap on Edit Page. After selecting that, what you are going to do right here, as you can see, discover how to improve your business skills. You are going to simply change this right here. You are going to change this line as depending on the niche that you are planning to target. As I was planning to target the law of attraction niche, so you could tap on discover how to unlock your true potential. And after doing that, you can simply put the title of the book right here. So let me go back and copy the title of the book that they'll be getting for free. Then go back into the editor, clear this section, paste the title right there, then scroll down. You don't need this right here. Also, they won't need to fill in their last name nor their phone number, so you can simply delete these sections. Then right here, you're going to change the title of this. And you're going to tap right where you see send form right here. You're going to tap on download file. And after selecting download file, you're going to tap on the icon below it. And from here, you're going to drag the ebook that you had downloaded. So once someone enters their email address, they will be able to get the free ebook. Once the ebook has been uploaded, just give it a few seconds. Tap on insert. Okay. And you'll simply delete these sections right here, as that's not necessary. And you'll delete this section also. You'll simply delete any part that is not needed for your offer. So all of these sections will quickly delete. It's quite easy to delete, as system.io is quite easy to maneuver around. So we'll delete all of this section right here. All of these right here. And after you have deleted all of these sections, what you're going to do now is go over to the menu option on the left hand corner. Let me delete this section also, as you want it to look as presentable as possible. Okay, now you're going to go over to the left hand column, and from here you're going to select blocks, as you can see right here. And I want you to scroll down until you see, let me show you, until you see raw HTML. You're going to copy this and drag it over here. Then you're going to simply go back to Cpagrip, and from here you're going to tap on get code, and you want to get the offer code, so you're going to tap on copy code. After you have copied the code, you're going to go back into editor, Then from here, you are going to simply tap on the raw HTML, and you want to tap on edit code. Then right where you see this section right here, we are going to clear this section and we are going to paste our link that we have gotten from Cpagrip. Then tap on save, as this is how we are going to get paid. Then you are going to tap on save changes in the top right hand corner. And now I could tap on preview, let you see it. So now once someone comes onto this page right here, as you can see, your CPA offer will pop up and the person is going to tap on this link. And once they tap on this link and fill in their email address, you'll be able to get paid. And as I said earlier, you'll be leaving this link in your Instagram bio, or you could do this on any social media platform. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.